Hey everyone, if you're passionate about staying healthy and saving time, you're going to love these meal prep hacks I've put together for you. Let's dive right into it and make healthy eating easier than ever. First off, let's talk about the power of batch cooking. Imagine cooking once and having meals ready for the entire week. Sounds dreamy, right? Start with basics like brown rice, quinoa, or sweet potatoes. These staples can be cooked in large amounts and used as a base for a variety of dishes throughout the week. Just pop them in the fridge and you're all set. Next up, proteins. Whether you're a meat eater or prefer plant-based options, cooking your proteins in bulk is a game changer. Grill chicken breasts, bake some tofu, or cook a big pot of beans. Store them in portion-sized containers and voila, you've got the building blocks for a week's worth of meals. Now let's not forget about veggies. Roasting a large tray of mixed vegetables is not only efficient, but also adds a ton of flavor to your meals. Season them with your favorite herbs and spices and roast them until they're just right. Not only does this add variety to your meals, but it also ensures you're getting those all-important nutrients. One of my favorite hacks is to use mason jars for salad storage. Layering your salad ingredients in a jar keeps everything fresh and crisp. Start with dressing at the bottom, add harder veggies like carrots or cucumbers, and then layer up to your greens at the top. Just shake the jar when you're ready to eat and you've got an instant meal. And for a sweet finale, why not prepare some healthy snacks? Energy balls made with oats, nuts, and dried fruits are perfect. They're easy to make, delicious, and great for a quick energy boost during the day. Plus, they satisfy those sweet cravings in a nutritious way. Remember, meal prepping is all about making your week easier and keeping you on track with your health goals. With these simple hacks, you'll spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying delicious, healthy meals. Give it a try and see how it transforms your eating habits. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on healthy living. Until next time, happy cooking and stay healthy.